Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Kum shibenta ka jing ay mensim ya kinongpang Menteri rang ba jong kejela ukon rat kongkel sangma haka arterik ubna jileu arajar arpuai ulalet jengo hi dalade yaki nongpang kebeliyabit ya kecingpang COVID-19 harilom garo kibadang don mentah hapedeng kecing syak sumar ha COVID ward kabadan hatura civil hospital. Hadin balapan pong da ki PPE kit Menteri rang ba ula rung hapo kene kejaka ai jing sumar ban ai mensim ya kini ki nongpang bakin yo no ye ka met ka bakot ka bakhia bat bakin sumar bha yaladi kat bakidang don hapedeng ka jing sha sumar. Menteri rang ba ula pen pauru i ka mensim jing sngo sene ye ki nong tre jong katanar ka kot ka khia ki balahap ban pong ya ki PPE kit ki ba mau hi daladi ru ula pong hakane ka jinglet jingo ya kini ki nongpang hakane ka hospital da ka baong bakamlong satya ka basuk ban pong ya kane ka jingriam nakaliang jong menteri rang ba ula penslur bat ula aimen sim ru ya ki nong tre jong katanat ka koit ka khia ki bala ai ka jing shakri met bat mensim baro ar pusau kenta ye ki nong pang hapo ki hospital bapher ki badan hapo kane ka jilla Meghalaya.
Here actually main. Here main. Just taking out this part, huh? Demo.
I've just completed the round of the COVID wards and just come out of my PPE kit, and in this 15 minutes, 20 minutes when I was there, I managed to meet most of the patients and give them the assurance that we will do everything we can from our side, and the doctors are doing a lot. They're working very hard, and in this 20 minutes itself you can see how difficult it is, the kind of conditions where the doctors and nurses have to work under, and I did it only for 20 minutes and they do it every day. So it's something that we must all appreciate, and we must realize that we have to take care of ourselves, and if we don't take care of ourselves, then there's more pressure and more risks to the doctors. So therefore, once again, I request every citizen that follow the protocols and make sure that you're safe, so that we can be a part of this entire fight against COVID and reduce the stress on the doctors and on the medical fraternity.